You're kidding me. Oh my God. No way. Oh my God.
What the hell just happened?
That was the coolest thing ever.
He literally ran up the right of way. Strutting. Holy.
We just hiked 30 minutes up this mountain. Get up on this right of way. Right here, freaking sweating, and I yelp, and he gobbles, and he comes running about 150 yards way out that way, runs all the way up the hill, blasted. Oh man,
What just happened?
oh that was awesome. Let's go get it. $15 yards. That is a big bird.
So we just hike up this Everest of a mountain, and Hunter yelps one time, and we hear a bird gobble. He doesn't even have a t-shirt on. And I look down the right-of-way there, and this bird is running up the right-of-way at us. He's trying to get it on camera, and he literally runs the whole way up, strutting. And I had one leg right here and shot him right there at that yellow post, right over the ridge. Most unbelievable thing I've ever seen. Never had a hunting experience like that.
While I'm laying down right there,
Yeah,
half shirtless.
While he's laying in the middle of the right of way, this bird comes charging in. That's unreal.
We weren't even up here a minute.
I didn't even get a chance to put my chew back in yet.